Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to add poses in ElevenLabs. So when writing your scripts, you will have to insert poses using ellipses just like this and dash like this as well. So you can utilize them for short breaks, and on the other hand, if you want longer breaks, you can use 1000 ms, 2000 ms, 3000 ms, or you can increase it to whatever you would want. And by the way, ElevenLabs supports some markup like instructions, so you can test different formats if needed. You will have to always preview before exporting so that you will be able to hear the rhythm. And by the way, it would sound like this. Just wait for it to load. So you just gotta click that generate speech, and then
Hey,
you
I really want
can,
you to
yeah.
understand that I truly desire to be with you, my love.
So, yep, that's how it sounds like. And that's it. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe.